Hi boys and girls, so we're continuing on with learning about division this week, and I know that a lot of you are getting a wee bit worried about using your tables facts to help you with division, and boys and girls, that's absolutely fine because last week we were really focusing on strategies like arrays and groups, and this week is when we're going to be really focusing on our times table strategies and using them to help us. We're going to start off today using a multiplication chart as just one strategy we can use. It's almost a little bit like a cheat sheet for division. So I'll be showing you this today and you can then print one off from the assignment or you can use this interactive version and I'll put a link in the assignment as well for you. So boys and girls, this is a 100 square, a multiplication chart, it looks very similar. And down the sides, you'll see there's lots of numbers and at the top, you'll see there's numbers as well. And each of these numbers tells you what times table is in the row or column. So for example, if I went to number 2, all of these numbers are in the 2 times table. You can see it goes 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. For example, if I wanted to find numbers in the 3 times table, I could look up the top and there is a number 3, and if you go down, 0, 3, 6, 9. All of the stations are there of the 3 times table. Now, if you want to find out what 3 times 3 is, for example, you just need to go to 3 and you're looking for a 3 on this side as well, so 3 times 3. And if you follow the row along and the column down, you'll see that they intersect, and where they intersect is your answer. So 3 times 3 is 9. I'll show you another example of that, boys and girls. Say you had, you want to find out 6 times 5, so you could look to your 6 times table here. If you go all the way down there, and if you're looking for 5, you go across here, and the place that they meet, 30, well, that's your answer. 6 times 5 is 30. Isn't that amazing, boys and girls? Now, it doesn't matter what side you start at. If I did 6 times 5 and I looked in this row of the 6 times table and this column of the 5 times table, you will see that they meet in the same place. Both give you 30. Now, boys and girls, let me just see if I can get my drawing tools back up. Nope, it's not letting me. That's absolutely fine. So you can also use this to solve division problems as well. So say you want to find out, well, what is 8 divided by 2? So you'd be looking for 8 in the 2 times table. Okay, so 8 divided by 2, well, there's the 8. And what column is that in? Oh, the 4 times table column. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. Similarly, say you want to know 12 divided by 6. You go to the 6 times table, you find 12, well there it is. And what column is it in? It's in the 2 times column. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. So we can use this to find out a range of different multiplication and division facts. Say we want you to find out, well, what's 56 divided by 8? Well, you would look in the 8 times table row or column. There's 56. And what column is it in? Oh, the 7 times table column. So 56 divided by 8 is 7. Isn't this so good, boys and girls? I told you it was like a cheat sheet for multiplication and division. We'll do one more example, and remember you can use this in your questions today. And say it was 32 divided by 4. So I'd look in the 4 times table row, find 32, and what column is it in? Oh, the 8 times table. So 32 divided by 4 is 8, just like 8 times by 4 is 32. So boys and girls, I hope that was helpful today. You can use that in your textbook page today or in future with your tables. Remember, this is just one strategy, boys and girls, and it is almost like a little wee cheat sheet until you get more confident with your tables, all right? I hope that's been helpful. Bye for now.